today I'm going to color this picture of two trucks. Let's color in this truck first. Let's make the front of the truck red with yellow lights and a blue window. Let's make the back of the truck white with a red apple and green leaves. And let's color in the bottom of the truck gray with darker gray wheels. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this first truck. Next, let's do this one. Let's make the front of the truck gray with a blue window and yellow and orange lights. And let's color in the back of the truck dark green and white with dark gray tires. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in both trucks. Now let's just color in the background behind them a light yellowish green. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. I love all the different colors of the trucks. They look like they're all ready to make some deliveries. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this coloring video. Have a colorful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Hey everyone, be sure to check out my Kimmi the Clown coloring books at itskimmi.com or Amazon.